Interchange, 4th edition, by Jack C. Richards with Jonathan Hull and Susan Proctor. This class audio program contains recordings that correspond to Level 1's student book, published by Cambridge University Press. This recording is copyrighted. CD 1, Unit 1. Please call me Beth. Page 2, Exercise 1, Conversation. Where are you from? Listen and practice.
Hello, I'm David Garza. I'm a new club member.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Silva, but please call me Beth.
Okay. Where are you from, Beth?
Brazil. How about you?
I'm from Mexico.
Oh, I love Mexico. It's really beautiful. Oh, good. Sun Hee is here.
Who's Sun Hee?
She's my classmate. We're in the same math class.
Where's she from?
South Korea. Let's go and say hello. Sorry, what's your last name again? Garcia?
Actually, it's Garza.
How do you spell that?
Garza.
Exercise 2, Speaking. Checking information. Part A. Match the questions with the responses. Listen and check. Then practice with a partner. Give your own information. 1.
I'm sorry, what's your name again?
It's Elizabeth Silva.
2.
What do people call you?
Everyone calls me Beth.
3.
How do you spell your last name?
Silva.
3. Exercise 3, Conversation. What's soul like? Part A. Listen and practice.
Sun Hee, this is David Garza. He's a new club member from Mexico.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sun Hee Park.
Hi. So you're from South Korea?
That's right. I'm from Seoul.
That's cool. What's Seoul like?
It's really nice. It's a very exciting city.
Exercise 3, Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What city is David from? What's it like?
So, David, where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Really? What city?
Mexico City.
Wow. What's it like there?
Well, it's a big city and very busy, but I like it a lot.
Exercise 4, Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen and practice. Notice how final consonant sounds are often linked to the vowels that follow them.
I'm a new club member. Sun Hee is over there. My name is Elizabeth Silva.
Exercise 5, Grammar Focus. Statements with be, possessive adjectives. Statements with be.
I'm from Mexico. You're from Brazil. He's from Japan. She's a new club member. It's an exciting city. We're in the same class. They're my classmates.
Contractions of be.
I'm equals I am. You're equals you are. He's equals he is. She's equals she is. It's equals it is. We're equals we are. There equals they are.
Possessive adjectives.
My, your, his, her, its, our, their.
Exercise 5. Grammar focus. WH questions with be.
Where's your friend?
He's in class.
Whose son he?
She's my classmate.
What's Seoul like?
It's a very exciting city.
Where are you and Louisa from?
We're from Brazil.
How are your classes?
They're pretty interesting.
What are your classmates like?
They're really nice.
Exercise 7. Conversation. How's it going? Listen and practice.
Hey, David. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Pretty good. So, are your classes interesting this semester?
Yes, they are. I really love chemistry.
Chemistry? Are you and Beth in the same class?
No, we aren't. My class is in the morning. Her class is in the afternoon.
Listen, I'm on my way to the cafeteria now. Are you free?
Sure, let's go.
Grammar focus. Yes/no questions and short answers with be.
Are you free?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
Is David from Mexico?
Yes, he is.
No, he's not. No, he isn't.
Is Beth's class in the morning?
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. No, it isn't.
Are you and Beth in the same class?
Yes, we are.
No, we're not. No, we aren't.
Are your classes interesting?
Yes, they are.
No, they're not. No, they aren't.
Exercise 10. Listening. What's your last name again? Listen to the conversations. Complete the information about each person. 1.
Chris, this is my friend Lucy. We're in the same English class.
Hi, Lucy. I'm Christopher Olson, but everyone calls me Chris.
Nice to meet you, Chris. What's your last name again?
It's Olson. O-L-S-E-N.
And where are you from, Chris?
I'm from here, the United States, originally from Los Angeles.
Wow! How do you like Los Angeles?
Oh, I love it. It's my favorite city.
2.
Okay, Ms. Sanchez, let me just check this information. Is your first name spelled I-S-A-B-E-L?
No, it's not. My first name is Isabella. It's spelled I-S-A-B-E-L-A.
Okay, thanks. And you're from Argentina, right?
No, I'm not from Argentina. I'm from Mexico.
Oh, sorry, Mexico. But you are studying English.
Actually, I'm not. I'm a business student.
Business. Okay, got it.
3.
Excuse me, are you Hyun Kim?
Yes, I am.
Is your brother Minho Kim?
Yes, he is.
Tell me, is Minho still here at the university?
No, he's not. He's at home in South Korea.
Oh, he's in South Korea? Is he in school there?
Yeah, He's at Seoul University this semester.